Well, back here in Nigeria, the National Vice Chairman of the All Progressives Congress Northwest, Garba Mohammed, has hailed the decision of the Court of Appeal in Abuja, affirming the sack of Governor Kabir Yusuf of the New Nigeria People's Party. A coalition of civil society organizations known as the Osun Mastermind has raised an alarm over the vacuum created by the removal of the state's chief judge without replacement, despite an ex parte order by an industrial court in Abuja. Addressing journalists in Osogbo, the executive director of the group, Professor Wasiu Oyedokun, urged the National Judicial Council not to fold its arms and allow politicians to drag its members in the mud. We have more in this report.
The Chief Judge of Osun State, Ademola Adeleke, was suspended on Thursday by the governor following the resolution of the State House of Assembly. The state chapter of the All Progressives Congress, APC, legal practitioners, and civil society organizations have since been condemning the suspension. At the November edition of the State of the State address by the Osun Masterminds, the group calls for the reversal of Ademola Adeleke's suspension.
That the appointment of a chief judge for the state must be upon the recommendation of the National Judicial Council, only subject to confirmation by the House of Assembly. Obviously, the House of Assembly has no such powers to unilaterally, without the recommendation of the National Judicial Council, appoint a chief judge for the states. The constitution is very clear, and we cannot stand the law on its head because we need to service certain political expediencies.
I took the whole night to study the NJC rule. It is mandatory for the NJC to sit at least once in 3 months, maximum of 90 days, they must sit. So is it too long that the state government will write a petition and wait for 90 days to have a decision taken for a woman that has close to about 4 years left at the bench?
The group described the action of the state government as setting template for anarchy and illegality by appointing a member of the PDP as the chairman of the State Independent Electoral Commission.
Whatever Action has gone to do in Usiek is not even our concern. Our concern for now is that appointment should be reversed. That's the position of Tom. So we cannot even be talking about details of what he has done when we are saying he should even leave that place. You get what I say? We have not seen it in public that he has even recused himself as SA legal. As at the day he was appointed as screen, he was still the special advisor, legal, to the governor.
The State Commissioner for Information, in a statement, said no ex parte order was received by the state government to stop the suspension of the state chief judge. The governor had appointed Justice Olayinka David Afolabi as the acting chief judge of the state with immediate effect and directed his deputy to swear him in on Friday morning. But as at the time of filing this report on Friday evening, Justice Olayinka David Afolabi has not been sworn in, leaving the state without head of judicial arm of government. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.